Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil, and makeup. Cleanse the face using a facial cleanser, and then evenly apply toner. Eye ultrasound treatment diminishes dark circles. Settings: probe selection, C. Duration, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, default. Gently apply eye serum around the eyes. Lift from the eye corner towards the temple in an upward motion. Glide the handle in circular motions from the eye corner towards the temple. Glide the handle in circular motions from the eyebrow towards the hairline. Facial ultrasound treatment, brightening and hydrating. Settings: probe selection, A. Duration, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, default. Gently apply serum to the face. Move the handle in circular motions across 3 facial areas, glide upward along the chin, sweep from the center of the face to the side of the cheek, and lift upward toward the hairline on the forehead. Glide the handle across 3 facial areas, move upward along the chin, sweep from the center of the face to the side of the cheek, and lift upward toward the hairline on the forehead. Wipe the treatment area with a towel. Apply a mask to the face. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, essence, eye cream, and facial cream. Body ultrasound treatment, body sculpting. Settings: probe selection, B. Duration, 15 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, default. Evenly apply gel to the treatment area. Glide the handle in small circular motions around the navel area. Glide the handle in big circular motions around the navel area. Move the handle up and down on the waist. Lift the belt vessel on both sides. Wipe the treatment area with a towel. Power off the device. Wipe the probe with a wet wipe, then dry it with a towel.